See everyone, you have your TV, the screen here is for close up. So you will see Alisa turn into the magic Alisa.
はい、ではまずですね、こちらベースメイクとアイブロウを済ませておりますので、こちらアイブロウマスカラからつけてまいります。
Today I'd like to focus on our One Day Magic series. So I have right now together with me is the eyebrow mascara, one of our new items. By the way, Alisa already has her base makeup, her foundation, and her eyebrows are already applied with One Day Tattoo eyebrow pen. You know the One Day Tattoo series, the eyebrow pen, right? She already has it, so she has a very nice shape for her eyebrows. Now I am applying the eyebrow mascara.
Wow, what's the shape of that brush? It looks kind of different.
Yes, the tip end of the eyebrow mascara, it looks like a toothbrush.
Oh, a tooth.
But it is not called a toothbrush. Medyo social. Tawag sa kanya, shower head brush. Yes. It has a shower head brush. When you apply it from the inside towards outside. But first, before applying it, you apply it first from the outside toward inside once. Why? You apply from outside going to inside, then from inside going to outside, and you repeat that stroke around 3 times. The reason you need to do it twice, or you need to do it more than twice, is so that you can cover both sides of your eyebrows and wrap it with this very, very special eyebrow mascara. Can you see her eyebrows colors a bit changed? And the good thing about it, if you look at it through side view, her eyebrows really extended forward. That's a different thing with the One Day Tattoo eyebrow pen. You can of course draw, or you can of course put lines on your eyebrows, but the thing is, if it's in the dark or if it's too bright, they will see that it's flat. When you have the eyebrow mascara, it's not flat anymore, it's 3D magic.
Volume na siya.
Volume. And the good thing about this eyebrow mascara, it's waterproof, the best part of K-Palette products, and it has water repellents of course, and it has various minerals to make your eyebrows grow healthier.
Oh, really? Can you go swimming in this?
And you can go swimming, you can take shower, you can dance in the rain, ano pa gusto mo? You can do your marathon, what else? Well, if situations, do you swim? Oh yeah.
Let me think. Yeah.
Let me think, I'll get back to you later, carrots.
Thank you, Aisaku. What a fantastic product.
では次はアイメイクに入ってまいります。
This time I'm going to make for her eyes, okay?
3D パレットのハイライトをベースとして使わせていただきます。
So I have currently the 3D palette with me, and I am using the highlight. Highlight とはどの部分ですか? Which part?
あ、こちらハイライトなんですけど、まぶた全体につけていきます。
So the highlight is the color white portion of the 3D palette. So the white portion of the palette, and this can be applied on top of your eyelids. By applying this part on the eyelids, it makes your eyelids whiter, and when you apply your eyeshadows, the colors become more vibrant. The best part of this white powder is it has pearl powder, which makes your eyes shimmer. We're currently applying the eyeshadow on top of her eyelids.
そうです。一番高いところから入れるとみたいになります。
So when you apply, from the middle, from the highest part of your eyes towards the outside. That's a tip on applying your eyeshadows.
So how long does this last? Like a day, a night, 8 hours?
4 hours times 2 times 2.
Is
4 hours times 2 times 3. Yes.
24 hours.
Hours. Very good, Karen. I love you.
Kung araw na. So 6 a.m. Kapit ka na yun. Tapos kinabukasan, yeah, you can use it.
So apply mo gabi bago ka matulog. Bago you add some glimmer so that it becomes puffy and cute. The effect of a puffy eyes is parang nagmamakaawa. Very kind-looking, pleasant-looking, feminine girl. So don't do that thing like that. Yeah. Can you see her eyes right now? By putting highlights below her eyes, the whole face become more. This time we're going to use the One Day Magic Eye Glue Liquid. Eyelid glue. For those who have already seen the Mega Cute series, it's very similar to the Mega Cute series, but this has a bit of newer formula. The eyelid glue contains hyaluronic acid, water-soluble collagen, and Chinese peony root extract. Chinese peony root extract is used on healing wounds or healing scars and healing rashes. So this is a glue, but by having this kind of extract, rather than damaging your skin, it revives your skin. Eyelid is very, very sensitive. So be careful when applying makeup on your eyelids because usually you get allergies there. Now we have applied eyelid glue on top of her eyelids. Alisa here has already a round-shaped eye and she has an eye fold. For those who doesn't have an eye fold, the effect of this eyelid glue is to give you an eye fold. Yun yung mga pangarap namin, mga chinito-chinita. Para kami walang mata kasi. Pero for those like Alisa who already have an eye fold, what it does is it makes your eye fold deeper. For some, it makes it more rounder.
Wow.
Magic.
So, Alisa,
Oh my God.
The other eye na. Pero hindi namitin pang kape na, ha?
では次はこちらの3倍太くできるアイライナー。
This is your favorite eyeliner. Yay! This eyeliner. So Alisa here, she has quite thick eyelashes already. But we are going to apply today the fiber mascara. Who uses volume mascara? Volume mascara. There we have a lot more people using volume mascara.
こちらマスカラを使っていきます。
Fiber mascara. It has two sides. One is the black. In the TV video a while ago, we showed it using the white first, but this time we're going to apply the black first. When you apply it on the bottom side, going upwards. So maintaining the curl, making a stronger curve from below towards above. There you go. We're applying it. It has a curved shape, so you can apply it easily and you can push your eyelashes upwards. So it's basically the usual mascara you use with K palette. It's waterproof and it has hyaluronic acid and all those elements that helps your eyelashes grow strong and healthy. This is a special part of it. The fiber. This is the new thing about K palette. Can you see on video, there's something like a cotton sticking on the end of her eyelashes. These are fibers, very, very thin fibers. By applying it, the fiber sticks to your hair, into your eyelashes, and make extending the end of your eyelashes. Now, when the fiber extends, it seems that your eyelashes itself is being encoated and being extended. Now that it's longer, you apply another coating of mascara, you apply another coating of fiber, you apply another coating of mascara, endless.
Endless.
Pwede mo,
Infinity.
yes, carrots, pwede mo haba ng eyelashes mo hanggang dito.
Hanggang dyan.
Yes, try
Hanggang
natin
reach
gusto
mo.
mo. Usually you apply it around 3 times or 6 times and you can get the same effect as a false eyelashes.
And again,
Times 4.
Sorry.
4 times 4. Lumaki ka na ni Cheryl eh. Oo, hindi ko nakikita ni Mata Cheryl pero may
Gusto ko yung niririnig yung magsasalita yung isa hindi siya kaya ako nire-record
There you go. This is our second coating of the fiber. Can you see? I cannot see. Oh, you can see. Can you see the end? Unlike the volume mascara, ang nipis, ang thin ng mga eyelashes niya, yet so long. The thin part of it is because of the fiber. Ganun ka-fine. And the
Magamit nga
fiber,
yan.
if you blow it
Matry nga.
with wind, it just flies away.
and then fiber.
Volume
Mascara,
mascara.
fiber.
Kapag tumigas yung
Mascara,
volume
fiber.
mascara, hulugin mo, it will fall down. This is the difference of their weight.
Mabigat lang
Falsies is very
siguro.
heavy on your eyelids.